Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the purge valve on a Ford Escape. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a few basic tools, a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and some pliers. Having these ready will make the process much smoother. We'll start by locating the purge valve, which is typically found near the engine's intake manifold. Let's get started. Now that we've located the valve, the next step is to disconnect it. First, gently press the tab on the electrical connector and pull it off. Be careful not to force it. Then, you'll need to remove the two hose connections. One is usually a vacuum line, and the other goes to the charcoal canister. Use your pliers if needed to loosen any clamps. Finally, unbolt the valve from its mounting bracket, typically with 1 or 2 bolts. With the old valve removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new purge valve onto its mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns correctly. Then, reattach the mounting bolts and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Next, reconnect both hose lines, making sure they are firmly seated. Finally, plug the electrical connector back into the new valve until you hear a click. Double-check all connections. After everything is connected, start your Ford Escape and let it run for a few minutes. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could indicate a leak, and visually inspect all connections. If you had a check engine light on, you might need to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. This easy method should have your vehicle running smoothly again. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.